भवतु सिद्धिं भवे वधा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी। विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिं भवतु मे सदा। With the RML Law University, with the VC sir at that time, for the need, which is very important, and I think since morning we are discussing and a lot of legal issues were in there. Orthopedic surgeons, they are now moving ahead with a lot of clinical material in the country, 60 to 70% population in the villages, 18,000 orthopedic surgeons. Now every year, initially, when I was a MS student, I think 20, 30 orthopedic surgeons used to come out per year. But now it is like anything, in hundreds in that way. So definitely we need to have two things very important. Number one, to excel in our own field. And number two is to go for a blissful medical practice. And blissful term is only being accepted, only being supervised when you are able to produce a result. Result means your publication, your work, your data. And since we all know that trauma is not only a bread and butter right now, because so many orthopedic surgeons are there, there's so much competition is there, as in all the field, the law faculty or engineering section, we all can appreciate this thing, and we feel blessed actually, because I always say I am the passing out generation now. So for you guys, it is very important to go for this fellowship program. So what happened, the problem is DM rheumatological practice, that is in India, very few DM rheumatologists are there. And so these joint patients who are being treated, they are going to homeopathic physician, to MBBS doctors and to other fraternity. And in our teaching curriculum of MS Orthopedics, the postgraduate curriculum, we don't have so much time to dedicate ourselves to these 60% of the patient who are coming to us simply with a joint problem. So aim is to treat, to educate as much as possible about what are the basic concept, because we always say when we operate, we cut a knee joint, see the knee joint, then we should remember what is the microscopic level of the knee joint anatomy, how we can treat it in that way. So that is most important part. So from the conservative management of orthopedics, a decade, 2 decades back, when plaster and traction was being there, to the surgical management, which is at its peak right now. And what at its peak is the technology. AI is coming. We in this 2024 are standing on a fire which is at the peak of this technology. Nothing is going to change in next decade time. What is going to change is the same patients, same trauma, same joint issue. What are the thing is whether you are able to treat it or not, that we are taking care with orthopedic rheumatology. Number two, whether you are saving yourself with a lot of medical litigation, I myself have many cases on my head in the litigation. So once a time, but gradually, if we are able to save ourselves, our skin, and that is why we are always highly thankful to the Law University for helping us out. And for the last 4-5 years, Dr. Shakuntala ma'am, I think she is not here, Dr. Pandey sir, Dr. Jita ma'am, they are all guiding us with all the topics, and we are making it more robust from this time. and with the orthobiologics section also being started in the fellowship program, so that at least we can come up to the best level. Because you know what the problem is? Nowadays, with the Modi government and with the BJP government, it is wonderful to have lot of schemes, BPL schemes for the Ayushman schemes. So trauma is everything. Every government hospital will be, every medical colleges will be having a trauma which will be free. Now, how to survive your stomach? You have to be a little extra, and for that extra, you need to pick up either orthodermatology or orthobiologics, because arthroplasty, arthroscopy, spine is okay, is all a past thing. So this association, as we all know, started in 2008, and we had a long journey of 15 years. I'll not take much time, as VC sir is also busy. So this is the first batch, 2019-20, and then you can see the mask on when the COVID era was being there. And then year after the year, we are into it. We have our own journal, Indian Journal of Orthopedic Rheumatology, which is an index journal, and we are trying to reach to Scopus also very soon. And all the publications which are being done here or at any places have got an importance. And since we were discussing in the morning also the medical legal issue, what I'll say is, suppose you have, trauma part is different. If you have 3-4 good collection of cases, this is actually applicable to Ferio, the orthobiologics, where you can show your work, you can present your work in the publication. Suppose you get a case in the court of the law, then what the publication says, when it comes to that point in the matter of the judgment, then in that case, if you have some publication, it has definitely got a weightage on you of making it, because science is always evolving. Science is always evolving. So we have these two components, orthobiologic and regenerative medicine. As you all know, the qualities of surgeons are 3: eagle eyes, lion's heart, and lady's finger. So now, I think everybody would be having eagle's eye, lion's heart to take a decision, and lady's finger. Now what this fellowship program requires is these 5 things. Now you have to be a clinician also, beside a surgeon, to think in that way. And I'm seeing for the last many years, this batch also, those who are into more history taking now with this fellowship program, they have learned a lot. Number 1, and you have to be a leader if you want to make a fame in the life. So this is a good opportunity, orthopedic rheumatology. Communicator, yes, you have to be. And lifelong learner, we all have to be a learner. When we will stop learning, we will go away. And then professionalism, that is most important. That will again come when you are very careful in taking your patient, taking all the legal formalities so as to save your skin. So these 3 domains are there on which our fellowship program works, so as to make you the best. So without 100% commitment, guys, you can't reach a goal, and that one have to be honest with yourself. So I'll keep on throughout the year discussing this thing to you all, that to present the cases and to go for it, and to plan your actions. Fine, thank you so much. Thanks a lot.